Hi everyone, it's Vicky here from Crafty Heaven and thank you very much for joining me today. And today's tutorial, as promised, I said that I would come on and we would make a mini album / journal out of the brown packaging paper that you can pick up from most grocery stores, post office, Wilkinson's, wherever. Really inexpensive. I think it's probably only about a pound for a roll, and you can make so many journals and mini albums with this. So I have started to make the base of our journal, and but I wanted to show you how I got to this step. But I just wanted to show you the papers that I'll be using today in, to decorate this journal. And I found these beautiful papers. This is called the Pink Butterfly Collection, and I believe it's by Scrapbooking. Now, I don't know if I'm going to pronounce this right. Scrapbooking by Gi Kerr. I think that's how you say it. I'll put the link in the video description bar of her YouTube channel. And she does the most gorgeous digital, designs. Absolutely gorgeous. So I got this kit. So I just wanted to quickly show you. I mean, look how beautiful that big butterfly is. I may even use that on the front of our journal. I'm not sure yet. But I've printed a couple of each sheet. So we have the tags and different embellishments. And then we have like the journaling cards, and we have them in two different styles, I believe. I think there's another set. But look how gorgeous these are. Absolutely stunning. So yes, we're going to be using these in our book today. And also I got this off her website as well. I'm not quite sure what collection this is. I think this was a freebie, because she does Freebie Fridays where she gives a free digital print off, and I think this was one of them. And look how beautiful those are. So perfect for adding words to our project. So I just wanted to show you them. Again, I'll leave the lady's YouTube channel in the video description bar. So to get on making our book. Now, this is not my original idea. I got this off someone on YouTube. Again, if I can find the link of who I got this off, then I'll put it in the description bar. But she'd cut her sheet as one big piece, and I just found that too fiddly, and I couldn't be doing with that. So I cut two separate pieces. So you'll see here I have two separate pieces, both measuring the same, folded exactly the same. And you will need two sheets, okay, and the height measures 11 3/4. Sorry guys, my voice is a bit croaky. 11 3/4 in height, and then the width is just over 25 inches. Okay, again, I have two sheets, and we're going to stick these together. I haven't decided if I want to have open pockets at the top or if I want to seal them up. I'm not sure. But what we're going to do is, you're going to just imagine these two pieces are stuck together. Okay, along the bottom we're going to fold this over, and we're going to fold over roughly around 3.5 inches. So then that gives us a 3.5 inch in height for our pockets. So we've got a pocket on each page. Okay, then we're going to come to what would be the front of our book when we fold it over. Each page we're going to fold over around 6 1/4. So I came along and just tick marked 6 1/4 top and bottom, and then I folded it over, gave it a good crease, and then that gives you a 6 1/4 width by, just check, 8 1/4 height. Okay, And then we're going to fold it back on ourselves again at roughly around 6 1/4. Fold it over, fold it again at 6 1/4. So then when you fold your book, you would have folded it like an accordion style. So this is the part where you decide if you want to seal this bit up, so then your book will just open like this, or you can have it not glued and your book can open like that. It's entirely up to you how you want to do that. Okay, so now we're going to stick the 2 pages together. Okay, so now I've put that, well, I've now glued it together, should I say, and I decided to seal the back up. So don't worry about this overhang, because we can cover that up with either lace or when we put you know, a mat on there, whatever. It's not perfect, it's handmade, and yeah, no one's going to really see that. So like I said, I decided to seal this bit up. So my book opens up like this, and I added some glue down the side of the pockets, so we have pockets on each page. And then I also decided to leave these open, so I just ran some glue, a thin line of glue down the sides, so then we have pockets for larger photo mats on the top here. So how quick and easy was that, guys, to put this together? You could put so many of these together, you know, and then just decorate them as you want. When there's an occasion coming up or someone's birthday, you can whip one of these out and decorate it and you're good to go. There we go. So that is that now finished, and I think that looks absolutely gorgeous. And then here is the inside, and we just added some little tags in those doily here, and then here is the other side. So there we go, guys. So that is my mini journal album using the brown packaging paper, and I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial and give it a go. And yeah, till next time, guys, take care and see you very soon. Bye.